everyone, welcome to Unit 6, Week 5, Day 3. We are on Wednesday, so we're going to start with some blending. Air, blend, bear. Air, blend, hair. Sk, air, blend, scare. E, so remember this is, re means to do something again. Reap, air, blend. Oh, whoops. Blend, repair, put it together, repair. And this is not a compound word because re is not a word by itself. Okay, let's look at some of our letter combinations. Air, R or air, st, air, sk, sh, ear or air, ch, oo, un, com, lee, oh, sorry, lee, be, full of. Oh, and un is not. Pre is before. E or I, R or air. So we're looking at air, and air today. Okay, let's blend some more. K, air, blend, care. Fair, blend, fair. Blend, dare. Now this time I'm going to give you 3 seconds and then we'll read it. 3, 2, 1, stare. 3, 2, 1, tear. 3, 2, 1, air. 3, 2, 1, wear. 3, 2, 1, pear. And this is like the pear you eat. 3, 2, 1, scare. 3, 2, 1, share. 3, 2, 1, chair. 3, 2, 1, stairs. Okay, I'll take a turn, then you'll take a turn. I'll go first. 3, 2, 1, bear. Now your turn. 3, 2, 1, barely. Like we barely made it to the train in time. 3, 2, 1, fair. Now your turn. 3, 2, 1, unfair, not fair. 3, 2, 1, hair. 3, 2, 1, hairy. 3, 2, 1, beware. That means be careful. 3, 2, 1, repair. 3, 2, 1, scary. 3, 2, 1, rarely. Now this one's pretty tricky because you might want to say rarely, but it wouldn't be rarely, it'd be rarely. 3, 2, 1, prepare. 3, 2, 1, careful. Okay, let's read a sentence. Beware of the mean bears. Put a spare pair, spare means extra, so put a spare pair of mittens on the chair. Okay, here are our words. 7. The word 7 rhymes with heaven. 10. The number 10 has 2 digits in it. 8. 8 is a great number. 9. I chose 9 friends to come to my party. 2. I have 2 best friends. Okay, once again, we're going to break these apart. So we're going to clap, and remember, our controlled vowels stay together. So rarely. So we break it right there and keep the A-R-E together. Unfair. Break it right there. The air stays together. Let's see if we did it right. We did. Okay, barely. Okay, we're going to break it right there. The A-R-E stays together. Whoops. Compare. We're going to break it right here. The A-R-E stays together. Footwear. Break it on foot, and the air stays together. Airfare. Break it here, and the A-I-R stays together. Rarely. So this one, the A-R-E stays together, and lee. Okay, let's read a story. Lights in the air. When people get together for a holiday, they enjoy many things. They have fairs. They eat lots of food. People can also light up the air. Do you wonder what might light up the air? Fireworks! Lights seem to splash across the sky in big shapes. These bright lights make a strong noise. The noise is loud enough to make young children scream. Watch the lights and your hair may even stand up. You might see fireworks in July on New Year's Eve or a few other days. You may see them outside or upstairs from your window. They are fairly easy to see because they spread across the night sky. You need to watch closely because the lights shrink away and then are gone. In July, watch the night sky. You might see big fireworks light up. They may come one at a time. In pairs, that means by two, pairs or in a big group. The lights look like pictures in the night sky. For many of us, seeing these lights are the best. It's a favorite thrill in the air. Okay, friends, so we have been talking about adverbs, and adverbs tell you how something happens. So it can be quickly, slowly, fairly, unfairly. So ly generally helps us know it's going to probably be an adverb in the sentence. So let's read this sentence. I know that I could do it quickly. So what would that be? 3, 2, 1. Quickly. The adverb is quickly. And see how it has the ly. Oh, sorry. The ly right there. Okay, everyone, that's all for today. See you tomorrow.